Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I want to share with you the layouts that I completed for my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of March. But first I'm going to show you what I have left of my kit. So I'll have the link down below where I choose my kit, and then you guys will be able to see then and now. So I have the two thickers. I have a lot of the thickers left, you guys. Like, let's just be realistic. I've got a lot left, but that's okay because thickers are great things. The paper I have left are these two little scraps right here. This is all of the paper. Out of the Bo Buddy candy dots, I still have all of this color, and I eliminated one full color and about half of these two colors. For the Paige Evans Truly Grateful stickers, I used about maybe a little less than half of them. I really found that it was hard to use the animals for the pictures I was doing right now. Out of this one, I definitely used most of these stickers that were here. And then these Vicky Booten stickers, I used a lot of these. So just a couple left on this one, just some words left on that one. A good amount still left on this one. Like I said, I had a hard time using the florals. This one is completely used up. This one is completely used up. A little less than half on that one. Less than half on that one. Didn't use any of the florals. Like I said, it was just a little bit difficult to get the florals used up. I, of course, still have the washi tapes. I did use a lot of the washi tape, though. This is significantly lighter, so it feels good. Out of that Project Life kit that I still have a lot of cards left. So a lot of cards. And then the wood veneer that came with it, I'd say I probably used about half the wood veneer that came with it. So all of this stuff is stuff that will happily go into my stash, and I will use it in my stash. So let's go ahead and get to the layouts. Now, not all of these layouts have process videos. This one is Time for an Adventure. It is a photo of my husband out on the tarmac while we took a photo from inside of the airplane. I just used some scrap pieces of paper that I had, some of the wood veneer bits, and layered up lots of the stickers. Lots of XOs because it's my husband, and, you know, totally appropriate because I love him. This one is probably not my usual scrapbooking style. Got a wayward gemstone, and I just tucked it underneath the washi tape. There we go. Probably not my usual scrapbooking style, but that's okay. I went with a grid layout. This was my 3-year congratulations card, so I have that. Lots of the Project Life cards were used on there. This is one of my favorite layouts from this kit. Hello paper with all the washi tapes, because it documents a great time that we had at a Secret Not Secret Kit Club retreat and going through all of the paper at the store. This is a 2-page layout for Stretch the Sketch. This is our New Year's Eve food. It's kind of a heavy layout, but the papers that I used were very thin. I was able to use some of the fruit stickers. Oops, I just fingernailed it. My fruit stickers from the Truly Grateful. So we have that. Then I have 20 pounds. This is where I lost 20 pounds and realized that my pants were 2 sizes too big one day. So that was something that I felt really good about. This is Mickey Sock Love, and I'm just documenting my love of the Mickey socks, and just how we were at a scrapbooking retreat weekend, and every day I wear Mickey socks, so why should retreats be any different? This is I Dream of Real Meat, and it is a little warped because I did do some sprays down here. However, the paper's so thin, like it just warped it, and it has stayed warped, even though it's been kind of tried to be flattened. This is where I document it, where my husband brought home an Impossible Whopper with Whoppers with cheese for us, just in case. None of us were really fans of the Impossible Whopper. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layouts from my kill kit, and I'm pretty happy with that. I actually thought I was going to have a lot less this month with this kit, because I felt like the papers that I picked were definitely, the B-sides were perfect, because if you remember, this was like a birthday paper pack that I purchased it Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning is closed. Unfortunately, they are not considering that an essential business. So I'm going to be using my next kill kit from Shopping My Room. So stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys again real soon.